Number 8, natapikan, naagawan. 2-on-1, 2-on-2 sa gitna. Fires. Baget for 2, back to back. To the middle, number 26. Sidestep, corner pass, fault. My foul in the bucket. Pass picks. Attacks, pass to the middle. Find that right man. Hook, extra pass at the finish. And number 12. Sidestep lays off the window. Bucket for 2. Mga idol, nandito tayo ngayon sa Ilocos Norte Intertown Divince Cup 2024 para sa laban ng Poway at Nueva Era. Shoutout kay Captain Nides Headwear para sa mga gustong mag-order. Sulit at legit. Captain Nides Headwear, nasa comment section lang yung link mga idol. Jump ball. And first ball pa sa Nueva Era, wala. Rebound. Number 30. Kicks corner for 3. Bang! First block ng home. Bounce pass. Number 12. Floater. Off target. Oh, tip in. And the finish. And oops, no. Miscommunication. 1-on-1. Fires off the glass. Bucket is good. And it's Nueva Era, number 21. Dumistancia. Bounce pass. Drives, lays. The foul and the bucket. And it's Team Poway. Number 8. Natapikan, naagawan. 2-on-1, 2-on-2 sa gitna. Fires. Bucket for 2. Back to number 8 for Poway. Fix. And to number 8. Team Poway. Natapikan. Fair bounce pass. Naagawan. And dalawa sila. Top board. DC bucket. This is the mid lane. Spins. Bounce pass. Wide open for 3. Bang! 3-point. Here you go. Crossover number 30. Bounce pass picks. Attacks. Pass to the middle. Find that right man. Hook. Extra pass at the finish. The backdoor inbound. The bounce pass fires off the window. Bucket for 2. Number 30. And the crossover. Corner pass. And number 21. Floater of the window. Oh, tips in. Oh, the putback. And the to the middle. Number 26. Sidestep. Corner pass. Fault. My foul. And the bucket. And spins. 30. Bounce pass. Nagtatapikan. Oh, dive for the ball. And may pito pala dun. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Kumaldag. And drives. Please. Offensive foul. And number 30. And drives floater of the window. Bucket for 2. Number 8 for setting the play. Poway. And holds the ball. And to number 8. To the corner. Launches on 3. Bang! Nothing but the net. Awan pabalik. Number 21. And sidestep. Natapikan. Pass break. And all alone. Easy bucket. And here crosses the mid lane. Number 25. Bounce pass. Sumasinta sa 3. Short. Rebound, putback lays, bucket for 2. Number 25 spins. And a pass, number 26. And number 12. Sidestep lays off the window, bucket for 2. Backdoor inbound, corner 3. Bang! At the buzzer! End of the first quarter for the lead. Number 15, 25, 12. Drives. Fires off the window. Grabe, tie game. Number 10 for New Era. Oh yeah. Stops, bounce pass. Recover. Number 10 still with the ball. Kicks out. He step back. And pinilit. Pinasa. Long sit for 3. Bang! And number 12 nagmamadali. On Harry. Naagawan. And number 10 for Team New Era. Natapikan. Recovered. Drives to the hoop. Bucket for 2. And a pass break. Nauna na. And a easy bucket. Sort of target. And a rebound, pass break. And pass. And an easy bucket. Number 25. And to the corner, spins. To far of the glass, basket and one. And here's number 30 to number 19. Susupal-pal ang inaabot. Number 30 for Team Nueva Era. Oops, patch, clutch, fire, won't go, rebound. And the bounce pass, no good. And here you go, Team Paway, crossover, number 26. Side step, pinilit. And here's Nueva Era. And a drives, floater of the glass, bucket for two. Crosses the mid lane. And to the corner, fires at 3. Bang! 3 po. And a pass there. Nauna na 2-on-1. Nice take, no look pass. And the backdoor inbound again. Oh, pass on the inside. And a pass break. 2-on-1. Dasang gandang pasa. Ang gandang finish for backdoor inbound. Pass to hits. Pides pull up J. Bucket is good. And to the middle. Slowly dribbling the ball. Pass to the corner. Fires at 3. The rebound. And the long pass. Number 1. Number 5. Lays up of the window. Bucket for 2. And drives to the middle. Fires off the window. Bucket for 2. 12. Muntik nang magawa. Number 26, number 28, floater. The inbound. Long pass, number 19. Shot clock running down to 7. Pass on the inside. No look pass and the finish. Tie game. 44-43. And that's number 30 to the corner. To the middle. And here. Step back for 3. Short, put back shot, number 16. There's number 12. Pass back, number 12 for Team Paway. And to the mid, to the corner. Fires at 3. Bang! Bulls up. Number 12 for Team Paway. Umatake, pinasa. Fires to palpal. And number 21. Umatake, 34 left layup. Bucket for 2. And it's number 12. To number 25. Pass back, number 12. Bounce pass na agawan. 2-on-1. 3-on-2. Pinasa, fades away off the window. Bucket for 2. Number 21 here. Pull up jumper. Oh, block. Number 21 for Team Nueva Era. Fires. Bucket for 2. And here's Team Paway. Setting the play. Asking for a pick. And drives. Oops, lays. Short. Rebound. Put back. Foul. And a basket and 1. And 50-51. Nueva Era up by 1. Number 21 holds the ball. And zumigzag and a drive, lays. Oh, bucket for 2. 55. And holds the ball for Team Paway. Bounce pass. Pass it back. Number 8 attacks. Hallyu pass and the love pass and the feet. Stolen. Pass break. And ang fire. Pinabitin. Tatlo na naman sila. Fires off the glass. Bucket. And Team Paway. Number 8 to the corner sa 3. Bang! Down to the mid lane. Number 12 to the corner. Side step to the middle. Pinabitin, oy! And a pass break. Dalawa sila. Tinignan pa yung guardia. Easy bucket. And setting the play here for Team Paway. And the bounce pass, natapikan, recovered, oop, napayungan, baseball pass, dadalawa na naman sila, oop, easy bucket, and dribbling the ball, Team Paway number 8 to the corner, the bounce pass, and natapikan na naman, crossover, nakalusot, number 27 nabitawan, sa gitna, fakes, Fires, bucket! Galapia, side steps, nakalusot. Uy, wala. And the rebound kicks out. Nakuha dito ng Nueva Era. 3-2, side steps, plays. Oh! Up, traveling. Huli. And a pass break and all. Loops. Lays too strong. No easy bucket. Number 1. Oops. Setting the play. 27. Number 15. Oop, nagawan. Tapikan. And lays easy bucket. And down to 3. And the long pass. Picks. Fires off the glass. Bucket is good. Back. Number 12 to 25. And a pass break. Straight to the hoops. Bucket for 2. Basket and 1. Rebound. Picks. Create space sa gitna. Fouls. Bucket 2 or 2. 3. Natapikan pa. That's the end. No basket. And drives. Natapikan. Naagawan. Push. And recover. And here you go. Pass inside. Alley-oop pass. And the finish for 2. 11-point lead. Nueva Era to the middle. The bounce pass. Is stolen again. And here's number 30. Crosses the mid lane. And the bounce pass. Attacks. Graves. Lays. Easy bucket. Nakalusot. Here's Team Nueva Era. Esteban. Here's number pass on the inside. Ang gandang dish. Ang gandang take and the finish. Number 8 to 25 to the corner. Attacks. Reverse layup. Bucket for 2. Natapikan. Agaw. Sa gitna. Number 12 to number 8. Attacks. Bumangga. And a pass break. And here's Noah. Kumaldag, no look pass. Pinasa pabalik, ang gandang pasahan. Answer. Bounce pass, fars off the window. Bucket for 2. And here's number 21. Nueva Era. Dumistansya. And 7 seconds to left. Uy! Pinasa pa. And here you go, number 12. Please. Yes, sir. And here's pass back. Pinabitin of the glass. Esteban. And here's number 30 for Team Nueva Era. Spins. And to number 19. 30. 5 seconds on the shot clock. And drive floater of the glass. Oh, bucket. And naku, pinasa kay number 26. Number 12, wild open for 3. He's still off target. Tips in of the glass. Bucket for 2. Here's number 21. 11-point lead. 69-80. And drives. Pull up J. Bucket. 13-point lead. Baseball pass. Number 12, Supalpal. It holds the ball. Pass to Ross, pass sa 3. Number 5. Oops. Naagawan. And a pass break. Linit bit lays. Easy bucket. Oops, the cross. Tinupso Palpal, nabi-rebound off the glass, bucket for 2. Lays basket is good. 10-point lead. 1 minute on the final quarter. Reverse layup, down to 8. Back to 10 points. Spins. Nakalusot. Nakuha ni number 8. Pass inside, libre sa loob. Pass, bucket for 2. Long pass. Naagaw. And a pass Binit wala. Oh! Grabe so. Hey! Congratulations! Nueva Era!